Dear students, in this class, we will know to identify the compounds which are giving iodoform test. Iodoform formula is CHI3. In the reaction, it will obtain as yellow precipitate. What type of compounds are giving iodoform test? This trick you have to know. That means you have to know the nature of compound which are giving the iodoform test. You have to easily recognize, because several times this bit was asked in the competitive examinations. So let us now take the iodoform test. Here some compounds are written: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, aldehydes and ketones. Among these, some compounds will give iodoform test. They will respond to it. What type of compounds are responding to iodoform test? That you have to recognize. First of all, I am taking primary alcohols. Primary alcohols, generally represented by RCH2OH, right? CH2OH is primary alcohol. Or you can start this with H, CH3, CH5 like that. This is primary alcohol. Among primary alcohols, remember please, among primary alcohols, only ethyl alcohol gives iodoform test. Gives iodoform test. The remaining primary alcohols will not give iodoform test. Only ethyl alcohol gives iodoform test. That means you can write in this manner: CH3, CH2OH, this is ethanol. Reagent you have to write on the arrow mark, I2 plus NaOH. When ethyl alcohol is treated with I2 plus NaOH, you will get CHI3, iodoform, yellow precipitate. Yellow precipitate is obtained. This is the alcohol which gives iodoform test. No other primary alcohol gives this test. If you want to write the complete equation balance, in the organic chemistry it is not necessary. Reactant, reagent, product. That is main mode of the organic reaction. If you want to write the mechanism, you have to write whole. And if you want to write the balanced equation for this, for example, C2H5OH plus 4I2 plus 6NaOH, we are not discussing any mechanism, just you have to know the trick, which type of compound gives this test. We will give you CHI3 iodoform, this is iodoform, plus 5NaI plus HCONa plus 5H2O. This is the balanced equation, right? No other primary alcohol does not give iodoform test. Remember well, except ethyl alcohol, no other primary alcohol gives, any other primary alcohol does not give iodoform test, or no other primary alcohol gives iodoform test. So this you have to remember. So this is the case of first primary alcohols. So primary alcohol part is over. Next, let us consider secondary alcohol also. Please note it. Now let us consider secondary alcohol. In the case of secondary alcohol, which is represented by R, CHOH, R dash. CHOH, this is the secondary alcohol. What type of secondary alcohol gives iodoform test? All CH3, CHOH group containing secondary alcohols give iodoform test. CH3 CHOH group containing secondary alcohols. So this is important here. This is important. CH3 CHOH group containing secondary alcohols give iodoform test. You can take for example CH3 CHOH CH3 2-propanol I2 plus NaOH. This is contains CH3 CHOH group. So this gives iodoform CHI3 iodoform. This is 2-propanol isopropyl alcohol. Or even you can take CH3 CHOH R. This R group may be any group. A larger group you can take, but that secondary alcohol must contain CH3 CHOH. Then when this is treated with I2 plus NaOH, automatically it gives iodoform. On the other hand, if you take a compound like this, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CH3, like this. This is 3-pentanol. 3-pentanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. OH group is present at the third carbon, so this is 3-pentanol treated with I2 plus NaOH. There is no CH3 CHOH group here. Here there is no CH3 CHOH group. This is CH2 CHOH. This is CH2 CHOH. That is not CH3 CHOH. So this does not give iodoform test. 3-pentanol does not give, but 2-pentanol gives, because CH3 CHOH is 2-pentanol. So 2 voles always give iodoform test. So in this way, all the secondary alcohols which are having CH3 CHOH group containing secondary alcohols give iodoform test. These are the examples. This is one example. This is the second example, and this example. This is that does not give the test. Okay. So that is the case of secondary alcohols, right? Now let us go to aldehydes. Please note it. Next, aldehydes. RCHO. Among aldehydes, RCHO. Or you can start from H, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, like that. Among aldehydes, only acetaldehyde gives iodoform test. Remaining aldehydes do not give iodoform test. iodoform test. Here aldehydes you are taking, only acetaldehyde gives iodoform test. Remaining aldehydes won't give, because acetaldehyde also contains CH3CO group. So we can take here CH3 C double bond O H. This is acetaldehyde. When treated with I2 plus NaOH, I2 plus NaOH, this is of course acetaldehyde. You will get here CHI3, yellow precipitate of iodoform will be immediately formed. You can take any aldehydes like formaldehyde, like propanol, CH3CH2CHO, like benzaldehyde, etc. These aldehydes do not give iodoform test. Okay? These aldehydes do not give iodoform test. This is the case of aldehydes. Next, we will take ketones. Please note it. Next, let us take ketones. Aldehydes part is also over. Next, we will consider ketones. Most of the ketones give iodoform test, just like secondary alcohols. All CH3CO group containing ketones give iodoform test. Iodoform test. Remaining ketones do not give. If there is no CH3CO group in the ketone, that won't respond to this test. Right? You can take, for example, CH3CO, CH3, acetone, treated with I2 plus NaOH, it gives iodoform. Yellow precipitate will be obtained. This is acetone. Or even you can take a compound like this, acetophenone, phenyl methyl ketone, otherwise known as acetophenone, treated with I2 plus NaOH. This responds to this test because it is contains COCH3. So it also gives iodoform test. You need not write the balanced equation in this type of reactions. You are doing the test, that is all. What type of compound is going to give the iodoform? So these types of compounds. And you can take here another compound like CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. This is 3-pentanone. This is 3-pentanone. Treated with I2 plus NaOH. There is no COCH3 group here. So how can you get the test here? This does not respond. Even you can take here a compound like this, CO, benzene ring. This is diphenyl ketone, benzophenone. There is no COCH3 group, and so this also does not respond to iodoform test. In this way, all the ketones which are having CH3CO group, all these CH3CO group containing ketones give iodoform test. Remaining ketones will not give iodoform test. That is the case of ketones. In this way, among primary alcohols, only ethyl alcohol, among aldehydes, only acetaldehyde, among secondary alcohols, CH3CHOH group containing secondary alcohols, among ketones, CH3CO group containing ketones. All these will respond to iodoform test. That means when it is treated with I2 plus NaOH, they will give yellow precipitate of iodoform. Please note it. some more information I have to give. So in this way, primary, secondary alcohols, aldehydes and ketones, which of them are giving iodoform test, we came to know. Just a glance at the compound, you have to get an idea immediately whether it is giving iodoform test or not. This is the trick you can follow. You can call it a trick, you can call it methods, whatever you call, you have to know this principle. And here, one more logic I am saying, those primary alcohols, CH3, CH2, OH, this is ethyl alcohol, ethanol. Those primary alcohols, which upon oxidation gives you acetaldehyde, gives iodoform test. Those primary alcohols, which upon oxidation gives you acetaldehydes. Because primary alcohol gives you aldehyde, secondary alcohol gives you ketone upon oxidation. So here, when this is treated with I2 you are using there, this will be converted into CH3, C double bond OH plus 2HI. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde gives iodoform test. And therefore, ethyl alcohol also gives iodoform test. That is the logic here. That alcohol, which removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. These two hydrogens are removed here in the form of HI. It is converted into C double bond O. Removal of hydrogen is also oxidation. And this is the I2, which is nothing but the oxidizing agent there, used in the NaOH, I2 plus NaOH. Similarly, you can take secondary alcohol, CH3, CHOH, R. This is the secondary alcohol. CH3, CHOH group contains secondary alcohol, also gives iodoform. Why? Because upon oxidation, once again, if you take here, CH3, C double bond O, R plus 2HI. This is, what type of compound is this? This compound is CH3CO group containing ketone, and therefore this gives iodoform test. Which compound is obtained? Which compound is taken here to get that compound? This type of secondary alcohol. CH3CHOH group containing secondary alcohol upon oxidation gives you CH3CO group containing ketone, that gives iodoform test, and therefore this also gives iodoform test. This is the logic in giving the iodoform test for primary alcohols and secondary alcohols. And one more point you have to note here. One more point. Note. Lactic acid, hydroxy acid. Lactic acid is CH3, CHOH, COOH. This is lactic acid. Lactic acid also gives iodoform test. Also gives iodoform test. This also gives iodoform test. Why is it giving iodoform test? Just you can take here plus I2. It is oxidized. CH3, C double bond O, COOH plus 2HI. This is pyruvic acid, alpha keto propanoic acid, pyruvic acid. This acid is obtained upon oxidation, or otherwise, same you can write here. If it is not visible, I am writing here plus I2. You will get here CH3, C double bond O, COOH plus 2HI. Same I am writing here. This is what you call pyruvic acid. So as CH3CO group containing acid is obtained, this gives iodoform test, and therefore lactic acid also, this gives iodoform test. Why? Because upon oxidation, this is giving CH3CO group containing compound. And so this is the special case noted, hydroxy acid, CH3COH group containing hydroxy acid. also gives iodoform test. So these are the logics you have to understand. Whenever in the examination, which of the following compound gives iodoform test? Just have the look and see primary alcohol, only ethyl alcohol, secondary alcohol, CH3CH group, whether there is not, whether that group is present or not, just check. In the case of aldehydes, only aldehyde. In the case of ketone, CH3CO group contain any ketone. And in the case of hydroxyacid repeat, that is CH3CHOH group containing acid, also gives iodoform test. So these are the secrets in this iodoform test. Whenever it is asked in the examination, now you can easily, clearly write, answer this bit. Okay? In the next class, we will see some more important bits or reagents or tests. Okay? So, thank you very much for your kind observation.